Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set the clock on your BMW Z4. First, ensure your car's ignition is on, but the engine is off. This provides power to the infotainment system without unnecessary engine noise. Next, find your iDrive controller or the relevant dashboard buttons. You'll use these to navigate through the car's menus. Then, select the settings or time/date option to begin the adjustment process. Once you are in the settings menu, you will see various options. Select time to access the clock adjustment features. Here, you can decide if you prefer a 12-hour or 24-hour display. Many drivers have a strong preference, so choose what works best for you. After making your selection, confirm it to save your choice before moving on to setting the actual time. If you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and like. It really supports the channel. On another note, bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's a fantastic way to add smart features and great sound to any room. You can find a link to the Echo Dot and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now it's time to set the precise hour. Rotate the iDrive controller to increase or decrease the hour until it matches the current time. Once the hour is correct, push the controller to move to the minutes field. Adjust the minutes in the same way, rotating until the exact minute is displayed. Double-check both values to ensure accuracy, then confirm your settings to save them. Many BMW Z4 models offer a convenient feature to synchronize the time with GPS. If available, enabling this option ensures your clock is always accurate, even after daylight saving changes. This saves you from manually adjusting it in the future. Once you have made all your adjustments and confirmed them, simply exit the settings menu. Your new clock settings will now be applied and displayed.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.